Hello, my dears. The topic of today's lesson is the text rainy days. The contents of today's lesson are the text rainy days and some activities. Read and listen the text rainy days.
Rainy days.
My name is Lily. It's a rainy day, and I'm at home with my family. There are many things to do inside on rainy days. I'm listening to music. I'm not watching TV. I don't have a TV in my bedroom. My brother and sister are watching TV in the living room. I really like soccer. When it's raining, I play soccer on the computer. I do my homework on the computer too, but not today. It's Saturday. Sometimes I take pictures of my family. Look at Dad. He's reading a book. My mom is working on the computer. Hey, it isn't raining now. They're playing outside. I want to play too. Rainy days are fun.
Let's do the first activity. Answer the questions. Pause the video, read the questions, and answer according to the text. Let's check your answers together. The first question is, where is Lily? Lily is at home. What are Lily's brother and sister doing in the living room? They are watching TV. What does Lily do when it's raining? She plays soccer on the computer. What is Lily's dad doing? He's reading. And lastly, what is Lily's mom doing? She's working on the computer. Good job. This is the last activity. Read the sentences and write true or false. Pause the video, read the sentences attentively. Go back to the text and write these sentences are true or false. Let's check your answers together. First sentence is, there are not many things to do inside on rainy days. Is this sentence true or false? This sentence is false. The second sentence is, I am listening to music. This is a true sentence. Sentence number 3. I am watching TV. This is a false sentence. The fourth sentence is, I don't like soccer. Is it true or false? This is a false sentence. The fifth sentence is, I do my homework on the computer, but not today. Is this true or false? According to the text, this is true. And lastly, rainy days are not fun. Is it true or false? This is false. Well done.
Let's start with a listening and reading activity.
Mia's rainy day discovery. Hi, I'm Mia, and it is raining today. The rain is not just falling, it's pouring. It sounds like 1,000 tiny drums beating on our roof, and the garden looks completely flooded. My brother Leo and I are standing by the big window in the living room. We are bored because the power went out, so the TV and my computer are off. Leo says, "Look, Mia." Our garden is now a lake. I giggle and say, "No, it's a jungle island. And look who lives there." We press our faces close to the glass. We start seeing tiny adventures happening right outside. First, we see a bright green frog sitting on a large, wet leaf. He looks like a tiny captain navigating the water. Leo draws a little crown of the window glass next to the frog. Next, a long, shimmering brown snail slides up the window pane. It looks like it's climbing a huge glass mountain. Mia whispers, "He's carrying his house with him. He must be moving to higher ground." We see a family of ducks waddling from the neighbour's yard. They march right through the biggest puddles, splashing happily. They look like they own the new rainy island. Leo finds his red toy boat and runs to open the door just a crack. He carefully launches the boat into the big stream of water rushing down the driveway. The boat sails away quickly, starting its own grand ocean journey. Mum comes in with 2 warm mugs of hot chocolate. She sees the water rushing outside and our toy boat sailing away. She laughs and says, "That's a big storm out there. You two are clever to find an adventure right here." We sit on the sofa, sipping our chocolate and watching the rain turn our yard into a wild river. We agree that a rainy day without power is much more fun than a regular day, because it forces us to find the magic outside.
In this lesson, we had the text rainy days, and we did some interesting activities according to the text. I hope that you liked this lesson, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.